This video is for educational and research purposes only. I'm sharing market data about remote job categories, not financial advice or income guarantees. Salary ranges represent market research and individual results vary dramatically. Most people earn significantly less than these figures. This is educational content about career options. What if I told you that recent market research reviews 7 specific remote job categories that consistently show salary ranges of $70,000 plus and don't require traditional tech skills like coding or software development? I've been analyzing job market data from sources like the Bureau of Labor Statistics, salary survey platforms, and remote work studies to understand which non-technical skills are in highest demand for remote positions. I'm Antoine Wade, and I research career market trends and employment data, and today I'm sharing findings about 7 job categories that appear frequently in higher paying remote job postings according to multiple salary databases. This is career education based on publicly available market data. The goal is to help you understand which skills and roles are showing demand in the remote job market based on current research. For this analysis, I reviewed salary data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, Glassdoor, PayScale, ZipRecruiter, and industry-specific compensation surveys to identify patterns in remote job postings. I focus on roles that meet specific criteria, primarily remote eligible, appearing consistently across multiple job boards and showing salary ranges above $70,000 in market data. The 7 categories I've discussed represent market research findings, not promises or guarantees. Actual compensation varies widely based on experience and company size, location, individual performance, and market conditions. Competition for these positions is significant, and building the necessary skills typically requires months or years of focused development and experience. Category number 1, project management. According to market data, remote project management roles show salary ranges from $70,000 to $119,000 a year, with significant variation based on industry and experience level. What the role involves: coordinating teams, managing timelines, and overseeing budgets, and ensuring project deliverables are completed on schedule. Skills typically required: strong organization abilities, communication skills, experience in project management tools like Asana or Trello, and leadership experience from any background. Why tech skills aren't required? While project management tools are used, the core competencies are organization, communication, and leadership skills that transfer from many industries. Entry pathway research. Data shows many companies hire project managers from operations, education, healthcare, and other non-technical backgrounds. Professional certifications can help, but aren't always required. Market reality. Competition is significant, and most successful candidates have demonstrated leadership and organizational experience from previous roles. Category number 2, customer success management. Industry surveys show customer success managers in remote roles earning between $60,000 and $125,000 a year, with a wide variation based on company size and industry. What the role involves: ensuring customers achieve their goals with a company's product or service, reducing customer churn, and identifying growth opportunities. Skills typically required: relationship building abilities, problem-solving skills, strong communication, empathy, and understanding of basic business metrics. Why tech skills aren't required? The focus is on relationships and business understanding rather than technical implementation or coding. Entry pathway research. Market data shows successful transitions from customer service, account management, sales, or consulting backgrounds. Market reality. Success requires building trust with customers and demonstrating measurable impact on customer satisfaction and retention. Category number 3, content marketing management. Content marketing manager positions show salary ranges from $70,000 to $112,000 according to compensation surveys, with variation based on company size and industry specialization. What the role involves: creating content strategies, overseeing blog posts, social media campaigns, email marketing, and measuring content performance. Skills typically required: strong written abilities, understanding of marketing principles, creativity, strategic thinking, and basic analytics interpretation. Why tech skills aren't required? While marketing tools are used, they're designed for non-technical users. The core competency is content creation and strategic thinking. Entry pathway research. Data shows successful transitions from writing, marketing, communications, journalism, or English language backgrounds. Market reality. Success requires demonstrating ability to create engaging content that drives business results, often through portfolio work. Category number 4, social media management. Social media management roles show salary ranges from $65,000 to $95,000 in market surveys, with variation based on company size and social media following management. What the role involves: managing company social media presence, creating content, engaging with audiences, running social media campaigns, and analyzing performance metrics. Skills required: understanding of social media platforms, content creation abilities, community management, basic design sense, and analytics interpretation. Why tech skills aren't required: social media platforms are designed for non-technical users with focus on creativity and communication rather than coding. Entry pathway research: market data shows success from marketing, communications, or digital content backgrounds, often with demonstrated social media portfolio work. Market reality: competition is high and success requires staying current with rapidly changing social media trends and algorithm updates. Category number 5, sales development. Sales development representative positions show salary ranges from $62,000 to $100,000 plus, including commission structures, according to sales compensation surveys. What the role involves: qualifying leads, conducting outreach, scheduling meetings for sales teams, maintaining customer relationship management data. Skills typically required: strong communication abilities, resilience, goal-oriented mindset, relationship building skills, and basic CRM system usage. Why tech skills aren't required: CRM systems are designed for business users with core competencies being communication and relationship building rather than technical implementation. Entry pathway research: data shows successful transitions from customer-facing roles, retail, hospitality, or any business development experience. Market reality: income often includes variable commission components, and success requires meeting specific performance targets and metrics. Category number 6, technical writing. Technical writing positions show salary ranges from $72,000 to $110,000, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics and industry surveys. What the role involves: creating user manuals, documentation, help guides, and translating complex information into user-friendly content for various audiences. Skills typically required: excellent writing abilities, capacity to understand complex processes, attention to detail, research skills, and basic understanding of the industry that you're writing about. Why tech skills aren't required: while you write about technical topics, you don't need to implement them. The focus is on clear communication and information organization. Entry pathway research: market data shows successful transitions from writing, journalism, education, or communications background. Market reality: success requires building expertise in specific technical domains, which takes time and continuous learning. Category number 7, business development. Business development representative roles show salary ranges from $67,000 to $100,000 plus commission components, according to sales industry compensation data. What the role involves: identifying new business opportunities, reaching out to potential clients, qualifying prospects, and building strategic relationships. Skills typically required: strong communication and presentation abilities, research and prospecting skills, relationship building, business understanding, and sales tools usage. Why tech skills aren't required: sales and business development tools are designed for business users with core competencies being relationship building and business development rather than technical skills. Entry pathway: data shows successful transitions from sales, business, marketing, or customer service backgrounds. Market reality: success often depends on meeting specific performance metrics and building consistent pipeline of qualified prospects. Based on this market research, several patterns emerge about these 7 job categories. Transferable skills advantage: market data shows that many of these roles value transferable skills from non-tech backgrounds more than specific technical training. Communication premium: all 7 categories consistently emphasize strong communication skills as a primary requirement across different companies and industries. Experience matters: salary ranges increase significantly with demonstrated experience and proven results in similar roles, regardless of the specific industry background. Portfolio evidence: many successful candidates demonstrate their abilities through portfolio work, case studies, or measurable results from previous positions. Continuous learning: all higher paying positions require ongoing skill development and staying current with industry trends and tools. For those interested in exploring these career directions, research suggests several development approaches. Skill assessment: evaluate which of your current skills and experiences might transfer to these roles based on the requirements outlined. Portfolio development: most successful candidates develop portfolios demonstrating their abilities through projects, case studies, or volunteer work. Industry research: understanding the specific industry context where you'd apply these skills can significantly impact success rates. Networking and mentorship: many of these roles are relationship dependent, making professional connections valuable for learning and opportunity discovery. Realistic timeline: transitioning into these roles typically requires 6 to 18 months of focused skill development and experience building. It's important to understand several realities about these remote job categories based on market research. Competition levels: Most remote positions receive numerous applications from qualified candidates worldwide, making demonstrated skills and experience crucial. Geographic variation. While remote, many companies still have location preferences or requirements that can affect opportunity availability. Company size impact. Salary ranges vary significantly between startups, mid-sized companies, and large corporations, affecting both compensation and job security. Performance expectations. Many of these roles include performance-based components or expectations that directly impact career advancement and compensation. Economic sensitivity. Remote job availability and compensation levels change based on broader economic conditions and industry trends. For those interested in further research about these career directions, consider consulting the Bureau of Labor Statistics occupational data, industry-specific professional associations, and established salary research platforms. Skill development approach. When evaluating any career transition, consider your existing skills, interests, and realistic timeline required for developing competency in new areas. Professional connections. Speaking with current professionals in these roles can provide valuable insights about day-to-day responsibilities and career progression realities. Market research. Understanding industry trends, company hiring patterns, and compensation structures helps inform career development decisions. Personal assessment. Any career decision should consider your individual circumstances, learning style, and long-term professional goals rather than just compensation potential. This market analysis provides one perspective on remote job categories that don't require traditional tech skills based on available salary data and job market research. Key research finding: the most consistent pattern across these 7 categories is the emphasis on communication, relationship building, and transferable skills from various professional backgrounds. Individual variation. Market data represents averages and ranges. Individual experiences will vary significantly based on skills, experience, company choice, and market timing. Development reality. Success in any of these fields and areas typically requires focused skill development, portfolio building, and often months of consistent effort to become competitive. This is Antoine Wade providing educational market analysis to support your career research and professional development planning. We'll see you in the next video.